Okay, so we are White Noise. So we've got Isaac over here on lead guitar. We've got Ashley back here on the drums. We've got Jeannie on bass. I'm Gabby, and I'm the lead singer and rhythm guitarist. And we've got Darren over here on rhythm guitar and backup vocals.
Just real quick, I just want to give a shout out to Guitar Center Studios. They're a great place, a bunch of great people. They put this all together and they put us all together. We're working outside of this, so thank you guys so much for putting us together.